Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing leaves. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. I am drawing a leaves in simple method. You know that drawing is a beautiful art that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words. So beautiful, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. This drawing shows green leaves on branches. The leaves are different shapes and size. Some are big and some are small. They have pointy edges. The branches are brown and separated out. The leaves are attached to the branches. The background is plain. The artist used shades of green for the leaves and some leaves yellow. It's look like a tree in summer. The leaves are happy and bright. They make you think of nature. The drawing is simple but makes you feel calm. It's look like a tree outside. Overall, it's a nice drawing for happy green leaves on a tree. Thank you so much. You watching my video.